10 hygiene mistakes that make you stink, presented by Mind Matters Intro. Nobody wants to be that person, the one who walks into a room and unintentionally clears it out just by existing. You might be showering, spritzing on cologne, and using deodorant every morning and still smell, well, off. Ever caught a whiff and thought, wait, was that me? Yeah, it happens to the best of us. But don't worry today, we've got your back. This is Mind Matters, and in this video, we're re-breaking down 10 subtle. Mistake number 1, showering too fast. If your shower takes less time than heating up ramen, odds are you're leaving behind sweat, oil, and bacteria. That residue traps grime and leads to irritation and odor later. Lather up, scrub well, rinse like you mean it. Mistake number 2, re-wearing clean-looking clothes. That shirt from yesterday might look fine, but it's holding on to sweat and body oils, especially if it's tight or synthetic. Its underwear, socks, and gym clothes are the biggest offenders. A clean fit doesn't just feel better, it smells better. Mistake number 3, skipping deodorant. There's a difference between covering odor and stopping it. Some natural deodorants don't hold up, especially if you're active. If your midday scent is shouting louder than your morning meeting, it's time to upgrade or try an antiperspirant. Mistake number 4, neglecting your scalp. Your hair might look fine, but product buildup and sweat on your scalp can smell bad fast, especially if you wear hats or sweat during the day. If there's a weird smell, you can T-place it. Might be time to wash your hair more often or use dry shampoo. Mistake number 5, ignoring your belly button. Small but mighty, your belly button collects sweat, skin cells, and lint. If you've never cleaned it, it might already be working against you. Use a cotton swab with gentle soap and make sure to dry it well. Easy fix, big impact. Mistake number 6, forgetting about your feet. Sweaty socks, tight shoes, and dead skin. That's a recipe for funk. Scrub between your toes, exfoliate, trim your nails, and rotate your shoes to let them breathe. Happy feet equals less odor. Don't skip this. For mistake number 7, not cleaning your tongue. Brushing and flossing. Great, but that white coating on your tongue? That's bacteria causing bad breath. Use a tongue scraper or your brush to clean it daily. Fresh breath starts here. Mistake number 8, using the same towel too long. Your towel might smell bad, and it's not just water. Wash it every 3 to 4 uses and hang it somewhere it can dry fully. A damp towel is a germ party waiting to happen. Mistake number 9, not grooming body hair in sweat zones. Body hair in areas like your armpits or groin traps sweat and odor. You don't need to shave everything, but trimming helps reduce smell and makes washing more effective. Mistake number 10, wearing fragrances that clash with your natural scent. Fragrance isn't one size fits all. Some perfumes or sprays mix badly with your natural scent and end up smelling worse as the day goes on. Test scents on your skin and give it time before committing. The goal is to enhance your smell, not overpower it. Outro plus call to action. So, how many of these have you been making? Don't sweat it, we've all been there. The good news? These are easy to fix, and now you know what to do. Drop a comment below and let us know which hygiene habit you're changing today. If this helped, hit that like button. And for more honest tips on how to level up your mind, body, and daily habits, subscribe to Mind Matters. We've got your back. No judgment, just real advice that actually works. Until next time, stay fresh, stay confident, and please, don't be the reason someone holds their breath in an elevator. Thanks for watching Mind Matters.